In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Tasks. If you've ever wanted a simple way to capture to-dos right where you already work, Google Tasks is built into Gmail and Google Calendar, and it syncs automatically across your devices. Let's walk through the easiest ways to open it and get started. First, from a desktop browser, open Gmail. On the right-hand side, you'll see a vertical side panel with small app icons. Look for the blue circle with a check mark. That's the Tasks icon. If you don't see the panel, click the little arrow at the bottom right to expand it. When you click the Tasks icon, your task list slides out on the side of Gmail. From here, you can quickly add a new task, type a short description, and press Enter. You can also open any task to add details or a due date. This side view is great for capturing items as you work through your inbox. If you prefer a full-page experience, use the direct link by going to https://tasks.google.com in your browser. This opens the complete tasks page, giving you more space to review your lists, expand subtasks, and focus on planning. Everything here is tied to your Google account, so any change you make updates instantly everywhere else. You can also access tasks from Google Calendar. Open Calendar in your browser and click the Tasks icon on the right panel. Viewing tasks alongside your calendar makes it easy to place each task on a specific date. Add deadlines to see tasks appear on the correct day, and drag them to another date if your schedule shifts. Checking an item off here marks it complete in Tasks as well. Another time saver is creating tasks directly from Gmail. Open an email you want to follow up on and click Add to Tasks in the toolbar. This instantly creates a task that links back to the original email, so you can reopen the message with one click when you're ready to act. The email subject becomes the task name, and you can add a due date and notes to keep everything organized. Inside Google Tasks, you can create tasks and subtasks to break work into actionable pieces, set due dates to keep priorities clear, and organize items into separate lists, like personal, work, or projects, so everything has a home. And because Tasks syncs across devices automatically, the to-dos you add in Gmail or Calendar will be ready for you wherever you sign in to Google.